Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we will be checking out how to install package using the Lure repository. So, on the itsfast.com page, the example is shown how to install the itd-bin package using the Lure repository. But we will try to install another package using the Lure repository. So, I have already checked out that the VLC music player package is available in Lure. So we will try to install that in the Ubuntu virtual machine. So let us try. You have to input the command. Either you use install or use in. So here you can see. Let me increase the size of the display. So that will be more easy for the eyes. Okay, so I think the display is locked, but you can see it here. On giving the command lure install VLC, it checked the database for the packages. So database version does not exist. Run lure fix if something isn't working. Pulling repository name is equal to default. Enumerating objects 668. So I think these are the number of packages in the lure repository right now. Counting objects, compressing objects. Total 668, delta 119, reuse 140, delta 69, package reuse 448. Reading package list, building dependency tree, building state information. The following packages are automatically installed and no longer required. So these are some packages. And these are some packages for the sudo apt auto removal. So what is going on here is that on giving the installation command for the VLC package using Lure, the native package manager got activated. That is the apt package manager got activated, and is showing some packages which are not required any further on the system, and that we can safely remove those packages. So it is giving us a list. Now it is showing us that further after the additional there are some unrequired packages on the system, so you will have to remove them, or else it will go ahead. So we will not removing any packages using the sudo apt auto remove command, because we are now focused only on installing new package from the Lure repository, that is the VLC package. So there are some suggested packages. So there will be always a suggested packages in addition to the main package that we want to install. So here you can see the different packages that will be installed to fulfill our request to install the VLC. So along with VLC, all the dependency packages of VLC are getting automatically pulled up. So total 57 packages will be installed. So to fulfill the complete VLC package installation, 57 packages will be totally installed, and 417 not upgraded. So this you have to not look at this 470s. Those are from the system packages. So the Lure project is using the apt package manager that is native on Ubuntu to install the VLC package from the Lure repository. So it will download the package from the Lure repository and it will be installed by the apt package manager. So total of 125 MB of additional disk space will be used. So you have to say yes. We just wait for a few seconds to let the installation complete. It is very fast. So the repository is quite fast. You can see it is just like using the AUR. It is very fast. AUR repository is also very fast. If you have used it, maybe you have used it in the Arch Linux. So that's done. We have installed the VLC package. Now let us check if the VLC package manager is found. Yes, it is there. You can see it here. It is working perfectly. You can see it here. It is there. And let us check out the version. So it is, I think, the latest 3.0.16. So that's it. We have successfully checked out the Lure project. we have installed the Lure project repository on our system, that is the Ubuntu virtual machine. Then we uh, install one of the packages, that is the VLC media player, using the Lure repository. And the fantastic part is, just like the AUR, it uses the native package manager of your system. So in our case, the Ubuntu has APT as a native package manager, so it use the APT package manager to install the VLC media player from the Ubuntu, not Ubuntu, Lure repository. If you use just APT, if you give command sudo apt install VLC, it will install the VLC package manager from the Ubuntu repositories. And if you use the command lure install VLC, it will install the VLC media player from the lure repository. So you got two options. You have to check which has got the latest version of the software, and then you can use the repository having the latest package version. So it gives you additional benefit. And with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.